Be real, under the kitchen sink is where clutter goes to hide. After a leak, mine turned into a dumping ground that I've avoided ever since. I'm Taya, a professional organizer, and I've helped hundreds of families take back their space without the pressure of perfection. Step 1. Declutter ruthlessly. Before you organize anything, you've got to clear the clutter. I pull everything out, and I'm honest about what actually deserves to go back in. Here are the 3 questions I always ask my clients. Do you actually use this? Does this belong underneath the sink? And is it still good? If it's expired, leaking, or hasn't been touched in over a year, that is primed and ready for purging. Remember, the under-sink cabinet is prime real estate. Now that everything's cleared out, we add structure. I'm using basic bins from the Dollar Tree to create 3 simple zones. A dish zone. This includes dish soap, gloves, and sponges. Spray zone. This includes all of my surface spray cleaners. Backup zone. This includes pods, rags, refills, really just anything that I'm not using on a regular day-to-day basis. Now, keep in mind, we are not looking for perfection here. Some cool ways to add additional storage space in your cabinet doors include adding hooks to the door. As you see, I use these wall hooks and some command hooks. Add storage, hangable storage to the cabinet door. I also made another hack where I actually attached this to my cabinet using the onyx to create the wall hooks, the command hooks that you attach to the wall. You take your Dollar Tree hanging door organizer. You're going to slip it right here, back here, slide it down. We're sliding it. Okay.